Welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Market World. Today I am going to discuss about today's trade section, and see, market is open with what exactly market open with momentum candle, and again it makes some retracement, then it goes upside, but here see here I can't able to take trade. Why? Because there is a flat SSB will be there, so that's the reason. Again it shows like that it doesn't sustain for upside, exactly flat SSB it doesn't sustain and give some bearish candle, then it goes down and it looks like retracement. See, again it goes up to there, but there is a clear entry is not here, so that's the reason I just waited. But I have a capital, so that's the reason I just taken 19,250. Once it comes down, again it goes, I just taken what means see, there is a one more flat SSP, so that's the reason I just analyzed and I taken 19,250 PE sell. Have a capital, so the PE sell only I taken, and after that see, after that it makes some retracement here and then go. So I just have a mind with prediction with only market will go like a corrective mode, so that's the reason I just waited. But it doesn't sustain downside, it again it goes, so this is the angle, exactly market goes here up to corrective mode, but there is a clear breakout here. I just taken before only, so I just waited up to here. I made a profit, but today is the Friday, for option selling a little bit profit only I just gained. Okay, this is the trade of today. If market, see, so many people's having some doubts, what means if market, I just taken 19,250 from here. If market goes there, then is again comes down, means if crosses here, means I just taken 19,350. Why? Because 350, 19,350 CESL I will take. Why? Because it looks like resistance, so that's the reason I taken upper side options 19,350, and after that if comes means only CESL. If comes means only I will take 19,350 CESL. If crosses here means again I will wait. See, if doesn't sustain, if sustain downside means I just exit my 19,250 250 P sell, and I will add two more lots to 19,350. Like that I will trade. Okay, why? Because there is, it looks we call it as a adjustment. Okay, and see, if doesn't sustain downside, so that's the reason hopefully market goes upside. Like this it happened and end up with a green. See, if market comes means so many people having doubt, so that's the reason I just cleared that doubt only. Okay, and one more thing, I already told yesterday also, what means see, if market in pre-market also I just told. Okay, in market if crosses these lines means I have to take trade up to here, I will watch there. Exactly, see, market comes up to there and makes some price action, then end up with the time is end, so if tomorrow I will come to pre-market in 2 minutes. Okay, pre-market analysis in 2 minutes. I will go one more trade I taken from Bajaj finance only. Bajaj finance only I taken. What means if market opens with a green candle, but it makes some here corrective mode, and again it crosses. So that's the reason I just I just taken from here only. Here just I taken here. If crosses down means I will just exit my trade, but hopefully it goes here with a long candle and again make some corrective mode. If crosses these line means this TS line means I just exit my trade. Why? Because I already told in equity shares trade I will not wait for long time. Why? Because the only few trends will come in equity shares, so that's the reason. Okay, and it comes like this, again it goes. See, this is the angle, and I just exited here only. I just exited here only. this is the clear shot. If I wait, I can gain more money also, but I'm not interested in equity stocks for trend movement up to long time. So that's the reason I will wait for Nifty only. Exactly, market goes like this only. Coming to next, what means pre-market analysis. Okay, now I will discuss about pre-market analysis. If market, I think, see this, for this level, it looks like a little bit fast. So it will confirm in next two days trading section. Okay. See market, there is a clear level will be there. If tomorrow Monday, that means Monday, if market opens with bearish candle and again it crosses with a momentum candle, means I will trade up to TSKS breakout only. I will trade for upper trend, and if crosses TSKS means I will just exit my trade. Like that I will trade for uptrend. Otherwise I have a chance with I think I have a chance with corrective mood. Why? Because I can expect corrective mood also. We can expect in market corrective mood also. Why? Because it looks like trend. They compared to this level will be in trend. My intention will be downside. Let's see what will happen. But if market opens here means I will I will put on resistance level for upper trend, and I will do support level for up or downtrend. I will trade in between, like option selling. Okay, 19,500 and 19,350 both side I will do. If crosses with breakout means I will just exit these levels, and I will add two more lots. If upper trend goes means I will add PE sell. If downside I will add CE sell, and I will exit PE sell for downtrend. Like that I will do. Okay, and this is the thing. Otherwise see, if market opens with a gap down and it comes downside means I will just trade up to this level, and after that this level. Why? Because these both are very important levels. There is a clear price action level, and this is also a pivot low. So that's the reason I will trade up to that level. If crosses means if crosses means for downside, I will just take up to end. Otherwise if crosses TSKS again means if closes TSKS again means I will exit my trade. Okay, like that. If anybody watching my this channel as a fresher means please watch my Ichimoku trading strategy video, then you will get an idea how to take trades. Okay, this is the session of today's analysis, guys, and I will wind up my session. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please like my YouTube channel. Thank you.